G'day champions, going to do two reviews today. We've got the Weihenstephaner Original Hella? I don't know. It's Original Light, apparently, translation. So that's the lighter version of the one we had yesterday, which was one of my favourites. So try that one out. I'll try that one first. Hopefully it's got similar characteristics to yesterday's beer. This one again, I see it at Dan Murphy's, I see it at some supermarkets. Everyone's been asking what percentage alcohol is non-alcoholic. 0.5 and below is defined as non-alcoholic because your body metabolizes it quicker than you can consume it, so it doesn't build up like it does with higher percentages. So on the nose, a little bit more lagery than the beer we had yesterday. It's still very reminiscent of the beers I had at Oktoberfest. Almost like more of a lager, but a very good lager. Still got the slightly less creamy head than the one yesterday, but it's still holding on to it, which is good. Good for a light beer because a lot of them, the head just dissipates as soon as you pour it. And the mouthfeel is about as good as you're going to get for a non-alcoholic beer. So I'm going to give that one an 8 out of 10. That's a very good one. There it is. I'll put the name up in the title. Weihenstephaner Original Helles. Alcohol free. I'm not going to try and say that with a German accent. The second one we're going to check today is Pirate Life South Coast Ultra Low. South Coast Ultra Low. So I guess that's a play on words of a coastal low, like a storm cell. I'll try that out. So I'm assuming it's just like a pale ale. Brewed adult beverage. Why? Why is it adult? It's non-alcoholic. So yeah, everything else from Pirate Life, they were one of the original sort of craft brewers that became sort of mainstream. And their beers were like groundbreaking at the time. I remember their Mosaic IPA was one of the best. Then they sold out to a major and they went downhill a bit, as is always the case with capitalism. Yay. Alright, very light on the smell. Almost smells like weed. Not that I know what that smells like. It's not bad. The second sip actually is coming to life the more you give it time. It's actually a pretty good one. Again, it would be better in warmer weather. Sucks that Dry July's in winter, but I guess it's better than being in summer. But yeah, it's not bad. I'll probably give that a 6.5, 7 out of 10. That's actually let's give it a 6.5 out of 10. It's better than average, but it's not blowing my skirt right up. So yeah, I'd suggest that one if you like the just like the Pacific Ale from Cooper's. The oh god, I can't remember any of the alcohol names at the moment. Pacific Ale. Oh, if you like Stone and Wood, you'd probably like that. A few of the sort of slightly lighter pales as opposed to the full-on IPAs. So anyway, I'll put the link for the donations up in this. Oh, damn it, I get it wrong every time. This corner right now. So head over there and drop a couple of bucks in the hat if you can. If you can't, give us a comment, share it around, show us that you're enjoying it, or tell me I'm a dickhead. It's up to you. See you on the next one. Legends tomorrow. I'm going to try and track down some Guinness. We'll see what that Guinness 0.0 is all about. So until then,